Happy birthday, Ate Sally. More birthdays to come and stay strong lang as senior citizen na. Ate Sally, go lang. Sumba lang tayo para maging stay healthy. Stay happy. Wish ko sa'yo sana maging matatag ka sa lahat ng pagsubok. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you.
Ate Sally, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon sa iyong kaarawan. At sana makalapit mo ang 100 years na malusog at nasa ating mga. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Sally.
Ate Sam, happy birthday. Aswerte ka, masaya ka. Ibig ko sabihin, you're so lucky. O, di ba?